in as much as the chairman has refused to do his ministerial duty, and we have the presence of the chairman emeritus, may we just request that the chairman emeritus, yes, just make the counting of the votes for the approval of the recommendation of the Board of Governors for
we still have him here. Let's. What is the pleasure? It's still the chairman.
The decision of the Philippine football management today is that we're going to contest that situation. Simply because the bylaws and constitution says so. That you cannot hold such a hearing on this basis unless you go to the board. But if you may like to continue, that's your position.
That's right. We will see. So he has made his point, he will question that. Then let him question and file the proper complaint before the proper forum. But as far as he's concerned, we are concerned. There is already a motion, duly seconded, and now we need the counting of the votes.
We will continue in the TFF office. The TFF has to get whatever we want. We will get a chance. And you can look at the possibility of December 3 or 5 that was fine. That's going to happen.
Mr. Chairman, Emeritus, Sir, Mr. General Secretary, I, Juan Luis Z. Carpio of the Naga City Camarines Sur Football Association, votes to approve the recommendation of the Board of Governors for the removal and replacement of Mr. Martinez as President of the Philippine Football Federation.
I, J.K. Brano, Negros Oriental Football Association, vote for the removal of Mr. Marie Martinez as President of the Philippine Football Association.
Arturo Pacificador Jr., President of Laguna Football Association, vote for the removal of Mr. Marie Martinez as President.
Do we want to go one by one? Richard Montari, President of the Cebu Football Association, moves to approve the removal of Marie Martinez as President of TFF. I, Dr. Day Mararal of South Cotabato Football Association, approve of the removal of our President. I, Mariano Renata Jr. of Iloilo Football Association, vote for the removal of the President.
I, as the President of Senito Piñon, President of the North Cotabato Football Federation, with heavy heart, but for the sake of football, I would vote for the removal of the President, Mr. Marie Martinez.
I, Ismael C. Batiles Jr. of Simumpa, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental Football Association, vote for the removal of our President, Mr. Marie Martinez.
I, Antonio Bucab, Samanga Junior Pay, Olong Football Association, vote for the removal of Mr. Marie Martinez.
I, Alex Macabangkit of Liga Sana del Norte Football Association, vote for the removal of the President.
I, Erwin Potasio of Davao, FA, move for the removal of the President of the Philippine Football Federation.
I, Erwin Bernardo, the Zamboanga Football Association, with a bit of sadness, I vote for the removal of the sitting President.
I, as the new President of Quezon Football Association, asking for the removal of the President.
I, Ronald Pagdoliver, Secretary for Tornico, approve vote for the removal of TFF President, Marie Martinez.
I, Abner Tegalabra of Compostela Valley Football Association, after hearing all those facts, not opinion but facts, move for the support for the removal of Jose C. Martinez as the President.
I, Antonio Cordo, San Codarat, FA, votes for the removal of our President, our friend, Marie Martinez.
I, Mario Simulan, Surigao del Norte Football Association, vote for remove.
I, Jose Vito P. Borromeo of National Capital Region Football Association, based on the facts and based on what I know, do vote for the removal of the president sitting today of the PSF.
I, Julius Gabriel Jimenez of the San Occidental Organic Football Association, for the betterment of the Philippine Football Federation, vote for the removal of Mr. Mario Martinez.
I think the representative of Philippine Masbate Football Association, vote for the removal of the president.
As a new member of Philippine Football Federation, I'd like to say something before. I like Mario Martinez. I'm not sure if he's corrupt or not. He's been a good friend, and in fact, in our talks, we've always talked about lots of things. Makes me laugh sometimes. Makes me unhappy sometimes also. So as far as I'm concerned, this is not an issue, and this is not a vote because he's corrupt. But I think we need to, in fact, if I could have made a motion earlier to make all positions vacant, I would have. But then I didn't think of it. But I think as far as Philippine football is concerned, I will vote in favor of the motion, simply because we need. But I'm not well. The motion is to replace, but I'm voting for a new page. If we vote for him again, then that's it. But the vote of the Leyte Football Association, when I consulted my peers, was simply to vote in favor of the motion, not because Mario Martinez is corrupt, but because we need good management at this point in time.
Before I will give my final decision, I'd like to inform the Congress that this representation who objected the motion of Governor Piñol to oust or to remove the president. That was during the last Board of Governors meeting on October 29. And with a high vote of 5-0, it was decided by the chair so that there was no endorsement. But this morning, during the Board of Governors meeting, the board has unanimously approved the endorsement. Mr. Martinez, we are friends. In fact, I am one of your advisors. The chance that I gave you for you to present to this Congress, the 2.8 million, was a chance of a lifetime, but you blew it. I had said, how will I be able to defend you this time if all the members here has already lost trust and confidence on you? So, with a big heavy heart, my boss, Mari, I vote in favor of the motion.
Mr. President, there's nothing much to say except that everything is over for us now. So, thank you for everything, Mr. President. Thank you, brothers. Whatever, there's no point in prolonging this. They have the floor, sir. They have the floor. So, vote.
No need to vote.
Actually, there's no need to vote, but if you like me to vote, I already said it's over. You know my vote now. It is over, Mr. President. They have the floor. And I have to say, based on what we heard, there's nothing else we can say except for voting already.
Mario.
In behalf of the